Hey guys, Sid here. Welcome to this Hall of Fame interview. I'm here with Mahesh Asarmani, who came into our community a long time back, 2019 December, and amazing journey of transformation. He's a business growth consultant, and he's got a community called the Business Growth Community with over. He's trained over 721 students, and he's got 83 people right now in his level 1 program. He's based out of Pune, and he's a part of the Transformers hype. So all of you Transformers, share your love and wishes and cheer him up. Your fellow member has added like 5,000 points to your team now. And best part is in the last 12 months, he has achieved about 12.5 lakhs in revenues by implementing this, the Freedom Business Model system. And you are here, Mahesh. Welcome to the Hall of Fame. Good to see you here.
Lots of gratitude, Sid. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. So how long, let's rewind time, 2019, when you bought my course. What were you doing at that time? Were you a business growth consultant at that time, or did you discover this after coming into our community?
Before joining you, I was just roaming here and there and helping the clients with the agency, that is the website, software, and apps.
Got it.
I was in only Pune. I never thought this can be done and all these things. So I was just helping one-to-one. I never thought, I used to work at least 15 to 18 hours in office and meeting the clients, waiting for so much time and following up and all these things.
But, and did you have a team agency? Did you have a team, or you were doing it yourself?
Earlier, I had team. I had around 12 people are working for these things. So that was amazing. But after COVID, so this challenge was there.
You had to downsize.
Yes. Okay. And actually, I was working, to be frank, I was working for the salary of my team. So, I cannot express in words. So
I know that feeling because I was also in a similar mode. So you were working hard so that you can just fulfill the salaries of your team.
Absolutely.
And then interesting. So 2019, you came into the community in December. I think COVID hit like 3-4 months after that.
Yes.
So what all transformation did you go through in 2020? Like what all changes did you notice happen in you after coming into ILH?
Especially these all things can be done online is a big eye opener for me. And again, even we can grow business by using tools. I thought by only working hard, struggling, only we can grow our business and build empire. That was the thought I had. But after going through your courses, after going through your the YouTube videos, then I realized if you also went through all these phases, then I realized he's speaking my journey. Okay, then it was connected. So immediately I shifted to Diamond member. So I'm lucky to get your guidance and thank you very much, Sid. Okay, all the continuous support. The best thing, I'm happy that every Thursday you are there, every Monday you are there and resolving the queries. So I'm really thankful to you, Sid.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you. So 2020 would have been a year of you implementing new models, or moving away from a big company with many employees to now refining it. So now you're more in a consultation model, right? So you're a business consultant here, and before that you were a digital marketing agency moving to a consultant. So tell us, what all did you try for you to really hit a sweet spot in your business? Like what all experiments did you try on this journey?
Okay, during this last one
during
year.
the last 1 year, like what all you tried, it did not work, and now it's working now. So what all did you have to go through? Tell us about that.
Yes. So earlier, making it completely manual process, calling people and sharing about the information about the workshop, what I'm going to conduct, about the information, sharing personally, meeting them. So these were still happening. Okay, then I realized when Sid says it should be freedom business, then I said I was completely wrong in reinventing the wheel again and again. So then I decided not to meet anyone, not to call anyone. If anything has to be done, that has to be done through email or WhatsApp. I still believe most of my clients are on WhatsApp. So I was focusing more on WhatsApp. So conducting webinar, but again, in mind, the biggest challenge, like it's all about the mind. Like I was expecting something to happen, at least one sale should happen. So, and when it becomes zero, my energy goes again completely down. So again, after your say Thursday and morning energy boosts, okay, again ready to conduct the session, again in mind, at least one sale. Okay, so that was completely wrong mindset I had. So when you say like go through the gold card, go through the stranger secret, okay, then I realize, okay, why Sid is saying all these things again and again? Because I thought like I'm done during this freedom finisher. So 30 days is everything is done. So why to do it? So in one of your session, you clearly highlighted selling is serving. I see, like,
Yes.
okay, then I surrendered. So on that day onwards, I never thought of any results. Even if zero sale or even 2% are there, I was there live. Thank you for this continued energy, Sits. You are the energy creator.
No, that's what it takes. I'm so glad that you mentioned, because even not just you, even Ramesh, one of our other members, he did 28 webinars with zero sales. And he used to continue that webinar and finish it just because nobody's there. That doesn't mean he would stop. He would actually finish it as if somebody is there. And that practice helped him. So for you, when did the breakthrough happen, Mahesh? Like you tried for a long time. When did you see the sales start to come in? After how many months?
As you suggested, as you specified, it's like my first webinar. Even the first webinar, the participants are okay, zero. Okay, but like I still remember, like you said, like without anyone is there, but still you gone doing this process. So I don't know, like I was like not surrendered completely, but still like I remember the words. So no one were there. So I just went ahead. So that day nothing was happened. So hadn't shared it with anyone. So but still continued this process. So then in one of the session you said like go through the webinar selling formula.
Yes.
Okay. So then I revised my these things, and then marketing or message to market. So all these points again revised. You're especially the freedom finisher. So that helped me to discover why people are not clicking that link to attend the webinar. So again, after 2-3 months, the engine started rolling. So now it is very regular. Sits. Thank you.
Regular.
Yeah,
Which month? So 2019 December you came into the community.
Yeah.
Which month you actually started seeing the regular income come? After 1 year?
No. After 5 months. Okay, in the
after
month of May, this journey began. So
May 2020.
Correct. So during the first month, like just implementing the freedom finisher activities, setting up the website, and again taking all the tools, implementing the things was taking time. But later on, when I started following your the hackathon, okay, that is completely kind of say structured these things. So once I followed 2 times, I attended your hackathon system. So it was completely revision. So even I attend it regularly, so that it is good. Every time when I attend, like I come to know some more ideas. What yes. I haven't discovered during your live sessions.
Yes, even me, like whenever I do hackathon, every time I do it the second time or third time, every time it changes. There's something new that I also learn. Yes, that's true.
I don't know, like what you do. You are kind of say magician. Okay, like you say, like Blair is magician. For us, you are the magician. I don't know what you do during that process, and we learn many things. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you. So May you started making money. What was your biggest month in the last 2-3 months? How much have you made maximum in one single month?
November was very good. October, November period, where I have shared some offers, and
nice.
during that period, actually, like I was thinking to apply for this interview, Hall of Fame interview, when I reach 3 lakh per month.
3 lakh in a month. Okay. Nice.
So you clearly specified, don't do these mistakes. So don't do anything, these things. You just follow the principles. So I was reaching around 1 to 2 lakh per month. So I said, now is good time. So let's surrender
Let's
again
do
to Sid. So in
amazing.
one of the session you specified like don't wait for like that whatever you are expecting. So whatever the rules are there, whatever the systems are you specified, just follow it. So
yeah, exactly. And I'm glad, see, because it's more about the journey. And some of you here watching this, if you've already crossed 3 lakhs, just apply for the Hall of Fame. I would love to have a conversation with you too. It's more to inspire the community. Like all of you are, you're getting inspired by Mahesh's journey of how he went and how he's, got that breakthrough. And so Mahesh, if you have to like bring it down to, what are the top 3 things that helped you get results versus before not getting results? Like what are the top 3 factors that have helped you, get predictable results every month? Share with us.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. To the top 3 results.
Top 3 factors that is helping you get predictable results.
Okay. So number 1 is what I used to do is unconditionally helping the community members or whoever searching for any solution. So like in BNI, you say like a giver's gain.
Giver's gain, yeah.
In my
having
community
the mindset also, to give. Unconditional giving. Yes.
Unconditional giving. So even in my community members, I also share like give to get. So the more you give, the more you get it. And even like one thing is whatever you want it, you start giving that. So this also I do share with my community members.
Very nice.
I want to grow my business. So whoever wish to grow their business, I'm helping them without any charges. So that is the first factor. Second factor is the continued actions. Okay, without you say something like blindly, I started implementing those things. Okay, go for the content designing, blogging, YouTube videos, Facebook community members. So whatever you specify, okay, those actions. So whether it is going to give the result or not, it is secondary. So only taking actions was the second factor. Even I remember your point, since I want to specify here, is first hit and then aim. Okay.
Yes, take action, then improve. Exactly.
Correct. So I said, like, first of all, we have to think of the goal and these things, then take action. Okay. I don't know what you said, like first take action and then think of improve and go for the results. That was the second action. Continuous action taking is the second point. The third one is use the tools and technologies for the business growth. What I thought, like, without the tools, I may grow, but I was wrong. So if we want to live forever, we have to use these tools or the technologies. Okay, so only the tools and technology can help us to grow our business. Okay, these are the
superb. So all of you note down. The first one is unconditional giving. 2 is continuous action taking without worrying about the results. And leveraging tools and technology. These 3 things have really helped you move forward and get predictable results and stuff in your business. So now that you've started to go from a point where you had a big agency, whatever, let's say 12 people that you were, providing salary for. Now you're building communities. Now you're selling your knowledge and expertise. And so tell me, how has your personal life changed in the last few months? Your personal life. I'm not talking about business side. Yes, money making, that's one part. But personally, how have you changed as a person?
Wow. Okay. Nobody asked these kind of questions since. Thank you for highlighting this point. I really love my family. So I have 2 daughters, lovely daughters, and my wife. So I used to spend I wish to spend a lot of time, but I was spending more time in office. Even my wife is also aware like what I'm doing. So she know my dedication and my kind of workaholic activities. But again, at the end, she used to ask, what is the outcome? What is the result? So I was always feeling like guilty, like not generating or building the results. So because of you, this online system is really, really helped me a lot to spend maximum time with my wife and my 2 daughters. And it's now amazing system you have established. Thank you.
Great Mahesh, great to know. And that's why I call it the freedom business. It's not just about working and stuff like that, but it's also to have that it's holistic life. It's holistic. Success is holistic. It is not just one dimensional income, money, profits. That's one part, but also having time for the family, for your spiritual side, for all the other things. Everything's important. Excellent. So all of you here, if you're inspired by this interview, in the link below my YouTube description is a link to Mahesh's website to go check out what he does. And if you'd like to be a part of this community, go to the link below. I've actually given a link to join our community, join our tribe, sids.co/join, get started. And you can also get on this journey with us. We have a huge community, more than 15,000 people at this point when I'm recording, who are taking their knowledge and making it into a business and making it very, very profitable. And Mahesh, you're a part of the Transformers Hive. How has that helped you? Let us know. All the Transformers, listen to what Mahesh has to say. Yeah. So what kind of support have you got from the Diamond membership level? Let us know about that.
Correct. So especially two groups are amazing. Number one is the Freedom Leadership Council.
Yes.
That is amazing system where all the highest level of implementations are happening. So when I see others getting the result, that build the energy to work harder, work better. Especially Transformer. Thank you very much, Transformer. Every day, okay, one ritual we used to do, I hope you might be aware, like we used to specify, I am Hall of Famer, HOFer, okay?
Yes.
So I don't know when that went in subconscious mind and came out. So even the weekly regular meetups are also very personal. Okay, all the messages are coming from you, but still like the persons are different, but the ultimate, the implementation activity, the results, how my buddies are getting the results. So, and again, asking them, helping them, getting the help. So this is amazing system. One thing I want to specify here, Sids. So because of this, the community members, I was able to put it in the form of say lead magnet, in the form of say books. So nice. I have written 6 books. 6 books, WhatsApp for business automation. So all these books I have written as a lead magnet, and even recently I got award also. So there also I'm happy to share about
on that. Great to know. Great to know.
Thank you.
Superb. So all of you, Transformers, you guys have got like another 5,000 points because of Mahesh's getting to the Hall of Fame. So congratulations. And all of you who are watching, if you're inspired by this interview, share your love and wishes below in the comments. To know that you can also be successful. Okay, it's not just Mahesh. If Mahesh can do it, you can also do it. You just need to be on the path and surround yourself with the right people who are going to inspire you to do it. Because generally outside in the world, people just keep pulling you down. But over here in our community, everyone is pushing you up to move up to the next level. So be there. And Mahesh, I like to ask this question at the end. Your one thing, if you have to bring it down to one secret, one success principle that you really are connected with on a close level, what is your one secret to the world?
Okay, single
one. Yes.
One thing. Yes. So for me, like I'm action oriented. So what is continuous action and focus on the end goal.
Yes.
Even like since like you always specify about the mission itself is going to give us continuous energy, like helping 1 lakh business owners to grow with knowledge and technology. So that itself gives the energy and motivates me to take action. So one super secret from my side is continuous, unconditional, unquestioned action taking.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing, Mahesh. Wish you all the best. Looking forward to interviewing you next in the Crore Club. And you'll get there very, very soon from what I can see. More power to you. All of you just share your love and wishes and keep watching out for future interviews like this. All the best, Mahesh, once again. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.